So hi, today we are discussing about a new topic, that is electromagnetism. So what is the meaning of electromagnetism? So in this have electricity and magnetism. So what we have? So electricity and magnetism. So what is the concept of electromagnetism? So what is the definition of electricity? So what is the definition of magnetism? So as you know this electricity, the definition of electricity, so it is I is equal to Q by T. So what is that? Electricity I is equal to Q by T. So what we are represented Q is the charge. And what is we are represented T is represented time. So according to definition of electricity, the electric current defined as the amount of charge. It is that the amount of charge crossing any cross section of conductor in 1 second. So how much time? 1 second. That is called electricity. So what is that electricity definition? The electricity defined as the amount of charge crossing any cross section of conductor in 1 second is called electricity. So what is the property of electromagnetism? It can be producing electric field and magnetic field. So magnetic field. So for example, so here we are taking first one activity. So I have to take one conductor. So it is the example of a conductor. So conductor. So it is a conductor. Which conductor? Copper. So it is a copper. So what is the example of conductors? Conductors like copper and brass and aluminum. These are all are example of conductor. What is the meaning of conductor? Which can allows and pass through the electrons is called conductors. So here I have to take one conductor, that is the example of copper wire. The copper wire can be connecting one wire. So here we have to keep one compass needle. So as you know, compass needle, how many directions we have? Two directions. One is north pole and south pole. So one is copper. It is example of conductor. These connected to connecting wires. There is no battery, there is no switch. Then we can keep near of the compass needle. The compass needle of it is below the conductor. It is the compass needle where we have keep below the conductor. So here the current not passing. So current not passing through conductor because of there is no battery, there is switch. So here the compass needle, what we are observing, the compass needle will be no deflection. What we have to deflection, no deflection. అంటే ఈ కండక్టర్లో కరెంటు ప్రవహించలేనంత వరకు ఈ కంపాస్ నీడిల్ లోపల ఎటువంటి మార్పు ఉండదు, అంటే నో డిఫ్లెక్షన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ యాక్టివిటీ. సేమ్ దిస్ యాక్టివిటీ. So it is a conductor connect with two wires, and it is a copper conductor and connecting with one battery and one switch. So now switch here off. So then the switch will on the magnetical needle. So where we have to keep magnetical needle, it is a below the conductor. It is a compass needle below the conductor. So here you have to keep a compass needle. So first one here off. There is no deflection in that compass needle. Now switch will be on. The switch will be on. What we are understanding? The magnetical will be deflection. So the switch will be on, the magnetical will be deflection. It is the first part. And according to we know this, a current carrying wire behave like a magnet. The current carrying wire behave like a magnet. Next, it can be producing magnetic field. This conductor, when it is passed through that electric current, it should have magnetic field. So then, it can be producing magnetic field. It can be producing magnetic field. And this is done by Oersted experiment. This is done by Oersted experiment. Oersted experiment. This experiment, so it is a activity 1. So we have to discussing about in text 1. So first one is here. Here we are taking first Oersted experiment. What is the question? How can we? So it is a question. How can we verify that current carrying wire producing magnetic field with the help of experiment done by the Oersted experiment? What is the aim? Aim is here to verify the current carrying wire producing magnetic field. The current carrying wire producing magnetic field. So requirement, what we are requirement? So first one is wooden plank or thermocol sheet, and one is battery, 2 batteries, and now switch and compass needle, and it is a connecting wires and bar magnets. So it is the compass needle and bar magnets and batteries and switch and a wooden plank, 2 wooden plank. So now what we have to do here? Take a thermocol sheet or wooden plank sheet, fix 2 thin wooden, so 2 thin wooden sticks of 1 centimeter of which have small slit at the top of their ends. So here 2 slits. So wooden plank, 2 wooden planks తీసుకొని ఆ వైర్ను 24 గేజెస్ వైర్ను స్విచ్కు అదేవిధంగా బ్యాటరీకి కనెక్ట్ చేసి దీని పక్కలో అంటే దాని నియర్గా కంపాస్ నీడిల్ని కనుక ఉంచాలి. ఇప్పుడు వాట్ నెక్స్ట్, ద అరేంజింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద కాపర్ వైర్ 24 gauges. This wire is 24 gauges, so that passes through slit, make a circuit. This is the one circuit. It is a circuit. Then circuit 3 or 9 volts batteries. 3 or 9 volts battery. Key and copper wires. One is key and a copper wire. So it is a copper wire. Okay. And connected to series. So one is one to each other. How it is? It is connected to the series as shown in the figure. Next, observation. What is the observation? When the key is here having that off, but when the key is closed means the current passing through the wire, the compass needle will be deflection. So reason, what is that reason? This deflection due to magnetic field produced by current carrying conductor. సో కంక్లూషన్ ఏమని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు? ఏ కరెంట్ క్యారింగ్ వైర్ ప్రొడ్యూసింగ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు ఎప్పుడైతే స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేస్తామో అప్పుడు కంపాస్ నీడిల్ లోపట డిఫ్లెక్షన్, అంటే దాని డిఫ్లెక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి దీన్ని బట్టి మనం ఈ కరెంటు చుట్టూ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ పాస్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ను ఏర్పాటు చేసుకుంటుందని మనం దీని ద్వారా గమనించడం జరుగుతుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్? సో యాజ్ యూ నో దట్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్, సో ద ఫోర్స్ గెట్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, so I have to take magnet. The magnet consisting two poles, one is north and another one is south. According to definition of magnetic field, the force get applied on object on the other object without any physical contact between is called field. So what is that? The force get applied on object by other object another object without any physical contact between them is called మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్. సో దీని చుట్టూ ఒక అయస్కాంతం ఎంత మేరకైతే దాని యొక్క ప్రభావితం ఉంటుందో, అంటే దీని ప్రమేయం లేకుండా, దానినే మనం మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్గా చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. ఉదాహరణకు దీని చుట్టూ మనం చిన్న ఐరన్ నెయిల్స్ కనుక మనం చల్లినట్లయితే దీని చుట్టూ అట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఉదాహరణకు సెటెన్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి మనం కనుక ఇక్కడ సెటెన్ అంటే నాన్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్లో కనుక ఐరన్ నెయిల్స్ ఉంచినట్లయితే ఇది అట్రాక్ట్ చేయదు. అంటే దీన్ని బట్టి సెటెన్ రీజియన్ వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి ఐరన్ నెయిల్స్ని అట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ ఫీల్డ్ను ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ సెటెన్ ఫీల్డ్ని ఏమంటాము అంటే మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అంటాం. సో ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చి ఉంటే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.